Welcome to a Disney point of view ride experience from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to Cars Land at Disney California Adventure for Radiator Springs Racers, where guests will start their engines and zoom through the desert landscape of Cars Land, inspired by the Disney and Pixar movies Cars. Riders must be at least 40 inches or taller to ride. Kick the fun into overdrive as you buckle up for a road race featuring familiar characters, fantastic scenery, and wheel thrills. Tour Ornament Valley and arrive in Radiator Springs, the cutest little town in Carburetor County, where the movie Cars springs to life. As you prep for the big race, all the locals show up to help. Mater, Lightning McQueen, Doc Hudson, Sally, Luigi, Guido, Mack and Ramone are all rooting for you. Take a quick spin into either Luigi's Casa de la Tires or Ramone's House of Body Art to get a racing makeover, then hit the road.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
Mater, coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? What you wanna be? You sneak up on him and pump, okay? Don't let him get you.
Just a bad spark plug. Yippee. Radiator Springs.
Now I need to be fast.
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramone! Ramone will beat you up, right?
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and enjoy the ride.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguide.com.